morning students. Today we will study survivorship curve and life strategies. So what is survivorship? So it is the number of individuals surviving at any given age for a particular species. Okay, like the number of male and female of a particular group or in a particular species. Now what is survivorship curve? So survivorship curve is the graphical representation that showing the number of the individuals surviving at any age for a given species or a given group. Okay. So we have three type of survivorship curve. So this is the diagram of the three survivorship curve. So first one is type 1 survivorship curve. So this one x-axis and y-axis. So in this x-axis age groups are given, and in the y-axis there are number of survivors are given, means 0, 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Study type 1 survivorship curve. So this one is the type 1 survivorship curve. This is a convex curve. So it begins with a high number of individuals and it indicates low death rate of the young and the middle age group. Low death rate of young and the middle age group. And after that the slope or the graph is going down. That means when the individuals are reaching to the old age, there is a high mortality rate at old age. So this type of curve is associated with large mammals that produce few individuals or few offsprings during their lifetime, and the individuals are dependent on the parental care for an extended period of time. So in human we can see this type of survivorship curve. Next one is type 3 survivorship curve, this green one. So this is a concave curve. This is exactly opposite to the type 1 survivorship curve. So the curve, as you can see, the curve begins with an immediate slope down. Okay, that means there is a very high mortality rate in young one, and this slope continues to the old age group. So this type of survivorship curve indicates that individuals survive their youth and they will likely to survive, means those individuals survive in their young age, they are likely to survive to the old age. So this type 3 survivorship curve are associated with fish and other organisms that produce 1,000 of young ones, and they generally don't have the parental care. Next one is type 2 survivorship curve. This one is type 2 survivorship curve. So it is linear in nature. So it exhibits a continuous downward movement, and the same proportion of population survive at all ages. So the type 2 is the intermediate between type 1 and type 3 survivorship curve, at it indicating a constant birth rate and constant death rate. So this type of survivorship curve we can see in case of invertebrates, reptiles, birds, etc. So now we will study life strategies and different types of life strategies. So different type of individuals adapted to a particular environment, means some species are adapted for forest, for grassland, for aquatic ecosystem. So they are having different type of life strategies, and so we are having mainly two type of life strategies. One is R strategy and another is K strategy. So before that we have to know that what is carrying capacity. So carrying capacity is the population that can be supported by an ecosystem without destroying the ecosystem is known as the carrying capacity. Like if for example, if a grassland is there and there are many resources, that means the plants, these are present in the grassland, so it can hold 100 cows. That means that is the resource for that 100 cows. But if the number of the cows are exceeding more than 100, that means it is destroying the carrying capacity, or it is destroying the ecosystem of that particular grassland. So that is actually the concept of carrying capacity. Now what is R strategies? R strategies means when the environment is unstable and density independent. That means the resources are not enough and the population are exceeding the carrying capacity. So this generally we can see in case of small size organism, and the energy used to make individual is very low. Many huge number of offspring are produced. They have early maturity, very short life expectancy, means they don't have any long life expectancy, they have short life expectancy. Each individuals reproduce once in their lifetime. So type 3 survivorship curve is of which are having those individuals that present in type 3 survivorship curve that die within a short period of time, but they have few individuals that live much longer. So the individuals of type 3 survivorship curve are of the R strategies. Next one is K strategies. K strategies means those individuals are present in the stable environment, means the resources are enough and the population are present within the carrying capacity. So these are the large size organism and the energy used to make the individuals that is very high. Very few offsprings are produced. They have long life expectancy, late maturity, because they are having the parental care, which we can see in case of human, in case of some birds. Individuals can reproduce more than once in their lifetime. So type 1 and type 2 survivorship pattern, in which the most individual live up to their maximum lifespan. That means type 1 and type 2, individuals of type 1 and type 2, these are involving in the